In this video, we will learn how to install Python on Windows. So when we search for the Python on the Google, we get the result, that is python.org link. So when we click on the welcome to python.org, we will redirect it to the URL python.org where we can download the setup for the Python programming language. So when we move to the download tab, we can see that current version of Python is 3.9.7. Below to that there is a note given that Python 3.9 cannot be used on the Windows 7 or earlier. That means if you are having Windows 7 or earlier, like Windows XP or anything like that, you cannot use Python 3.9.7 on your system. So we will see all the release for the Python. So here we are having a download the latest version for the Windows, that is 3.9.7. Below to that we are getting some options, like if you are looking for the Python for different OS other than Windows, you will just like Linux, Mac OS or other, you have to click on the OS name. Now we will see which are the active Python releases. Okay, out of whatever releases we know, out of those how many are active. So currently we are having 3.9, 3.8, 3.7, 3.6 and 2.7. so the first column in this table gives us the version of the Python which are active. Next is the maintenance status is there. Next column is the first release, when that version is released, and the fourth column indicates when the support for that version ends from the python.org. okay, Python community. Next we are having if you are looking for any specific release, if you want to develop your project in a particular release, then here you can get the specific release, like a 3.7.12, 3.6 point some x, like this. Okay, so you can download a specific version. So let's download the Python 3.9.7. so click on the button Python 3.9.7. once you click, you will get a pop-up for the download. Now this file is of 27.6 MB. so I will click on the download button. So total space is 27.6 MB. okay, download has been started. Once the file is downloaded, the installer file is downloaded, you will get that installer file on your desktop. Now we are getting that installer file on the desktop. Double click on it. So there are two options on the pop-up screen: install now, and other is customize installation. So once we click on the customize installation, we can get some features customization. So I will not go in that. So we will again, at the bottom we are having two check boxes. One is for the all user, so install for all user, and install launcher for all user, and add Python 3.9 to the path. So we will check all these two check boxes and we will go with the default installation. So we will click on the install now button. So installation has been started. It is taking some time. So I have aborted the installation because I have already installed the Python. So once that installation is completed, you will get the Python. Thank you.